everything from the tech show that gamers. Sounds nice, however, what concerning the shortages and tariffs? CES 2021, the primary digital present within the conference's historical past, gave extra consideration to gaming, which surged in reputation by means of 2020. Corporations revealed spectacular new laptops and screens that promise large features over final year's fashions, and cloud gaming lastly got here to televisions. New laptops deliver large efficiency positive aspects. Gaming laptops acquired an enormous increase at CES 2021 as Nvidia, AMD, and Intel introduced new cellular hardware. Jeff Fisher, Senior Vice President of Nvidia GeForce, stated in the course of the firm's presentation that new RTX 3000 series cellular hardware will arrive in over 70 laptops from each OEM. AMD CEO, Dr. Lisa Su, stated on the firm's CES keynote that it expects greater than 150 ultra-thin, gaming and professional notebooks with new AMD hardware in 2021. Intel didn't have particular figures to share, however the firm did announce a quad-core particular version cellular processor for ultra-thin gaming laptops. Chris Walker, company vice chairman and basic supervisor of Intel's Cell Shopper Platforms Group, stated the CPU will over 70 laptops from each OEM. Laptop computer makers adopted up by revealing new fashions. Razer confirmed off a new Blade 15 laptop powered by Nvidia RTX 3000 series GPUs. MSI brought the Stealth 15M, a super thin gaming laptop computer utilizing Intel's new quad-core gaming CPU, and Asus revealed the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 SE, a dual-screen laptop computer with AMD Ryzen 9 processors and Nvidia RTX 3000 series graphics. You may anticipate these laptops to ship a big increase in efficiency over fashions bought in 2020. Nvidia's RTX 3000 series, particularly, is an enormous improve over the prior RTX 2000 series. Jared Walton, writing a review of the GeForce RTX 3080 desktop graphics for Tom's Hardware, stated to anticipate 30% higher efficiency than the outgoing RTX 2080 Ti, which was considerably costlier than the RTX 3080 at launch. The laptop computer variants of the RTX 3000 series receive it be fairly as quick due to energy constraints, however ought to nonetheless be a big improve. The important thing takeaway? Players shopping for a brand new laptop computer ought to maintain off till new fashions arrive in February, as they'll instantly make final year's laptops really feel out of date. Desktop players nonetheless face availability woes. PC avid gamers taking part in home-built desktop rigs have confronted an enormous downside over the previous year demand for desktop graphics playing cards, and to a lesser extent, high-end desktop CPUs, has drastically outpaced provide, forcing costs to rise. Peak Part Picker's price trend charts present each current-gen desktop graphics card as promoting above MSRP. Even older playing cards, just like the Nvidia GTX 1660 Ti and AMD RX 580, promote for extra immediately than they did initially of 2020. CES 2021 introduced no excellent news for desktop PC avid gamers. Nvidia's Jeff Fisher, talking on the firm's CES adjacent presentation, stated Ampere has been our quickest promoting structure ever. We all know these merchandise have been arduous to seek out. I wish to thanks on your persistence as we work arduous to catch up. Nvidia representatives have used comparable messaging in previous displays, and the corporate hasn't dedicated to express timetables for higher availability. AMD is arguably in a fair worse place. Its CEO, Dr. Lisa Su, stated nothing concerning the availability of its present graphics hardware on the firm's CES 2021 keynote, and solely might say the corporate's subsequent desktop graphics card will arrive someday within the first half of 2021. And, when you stay within the US, there's yet another factor to fret about. Tariffs imposed by the Trump administration on items assembled in China are coming into impact. These had been slated to take impact in 2019, however the Trump administration granted an exception by means of 2020. That's now expired, inserting an enormous 25% tariff on many items, together with graphics playing cards. A number of corporations that make graphics playing cards, together with Asus, IVGA, and Zotac, have raised pricing in response. That is unhealthy information for anybody constructing a desktop PC. Excessive price desktop PC gaming hardware, mixed with the launch of recent laptops at CES 2021, might push avid gamers in the direction of laptops even when they desire to recreation on a desktop. Cloud gaming lastly involves televisions. Laptops aren't the one various for PC avid gamers, nevertheless. These gamers might additionally flip in the direction of cloud gaming providers like Google Stadia and Nvidia's GeForce Now. Nvidia's Fisher touted GeForce Now's success throughout his presentation, saying folks streamed over 200 million hours of gameplay in 2020. He additionally reminded avid gamers of Nvidia's unique partnership with the Recreation Awards final December, and the supply of Cyberpunk 2077. LG, in the meantime, introduced Google Stadia and Nvidia GeForce Now are coming to LG televisions in 2021. It is a first for each Stadia and GeForce Now, which solely was accessible by means of exterior hardware, like Google's Chromecast or Nvidia's Protect TV. Bundling the app right into a TV means cloud gaming will work straight out of the field. It's an enormous step up for ease of use that arguably makes cloud gaming much more accessible than a recreation console. The importance of this announcement is just elevated by the supply points going through PC avid gamers. As the worth of PC gaming will increase, some gamers will search for extra inexpensive methods to play video games. Nvidia's GeForce Now could be notably properly positioned, because the service performs PC video games folks personal and has entry to RTX ray tracing. For instance, avid gamers hoping to play Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled will discover GeForce Now could be the one various to a gaming PC. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.